If a feature-rich, compact volume control node is required for a new or existing integrated audio system, your search can stop here. Introducing the Intusonic INTUPAK VLA42, a system integrator's best friend. Living up to the Intusonic ethos, the VLA42 has an intuitive front panel offering easy selection of input sources. A large dual-layered rotary dial allows simple volume control and a push-to-mute function, aided by an LED indicator. A closer look at the rear side shows one balanced audio input in the form of screw terminal strips, and 3 unbalanced RCA inputs. A balanced master output allows signal forwarding to other audio equipment, whilst an RJ45 digital port offers external RS485 control. Finally, a separate RJ45 connection allows the use of the optional VRE11 wall panel. This single-gang wall panel offers external control of both volume and source, in addition to allowing the connection of a local audio source via its 3.5mm TRS input. An included IR remote makes the VLA42 even easier to operate, and a wealth of mounting brackets only add to the versatility of this compact volume control node. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.